Your kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering out toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. However, the modern lifestyle, with its high intake of processed foods and sedentary habits, often puts our kidney health at risk. Over time, poor kidney function can lead to serious health complications, such as kidney disease and chronic kidney failure. But the good news is that nature has provided us with a powerful ally to support and heal our kidneys: herbal drinks. Herbal teas and infusions have been used for centuries to detoxify, repair, and promote kidney health. These natural remedies can help reduce inflammation, flush out toxins, and improve overall kidney function. The best part? You don't need to rely on expensive medications or treatments. Incorporating simple, everyday herbs into your routine can make a remarkable difference in just 27 days. Before we dive into the top 10 herbal drinks for your kidney health, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful health tips. Let's get started and uncover the herbal drinks that can help you heal and protect your kidneys in the next 27 days. 10. Parsley Tea. At number 10, we have Parsley Tea, a surprisingly powerful herbal drink when it comes to kidney health. Parsley is often overlooked, but it's packed with essential nutrients that support your kidneys in a variety of ways. It contains high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which protect the kidneys from free radical damage. Parsley is also known for its diuretic properties, meaning it promotes increased urine production. This helps flush out excess waste, sodium, and water from the body, easing the burden on the kidneys. By drinking parsley tea regularly, you can help reduce fluid retention, improve kidney function, and prevent kidney stone formation. It also helps balance electrolyte levels in the body, a crucial aspect of kidney health. Parsley's natural anti-inflammatory effects can also help reduce kidney inflammation, promoting a healthier kidney environment. Make parsley tea a part of your daily routine and give your kidneys the boost they deserve. 9. Dandelion Root Tea. Next, at number 9, is Dandelion Root Tea. While many people think of dandelions as nothing more than weeds, this herb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, particularly in supporting kidney health. Dandelion root is a gentle yet effective diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out excess fluids and toxins, which ultimately relieves pressure from the kidneys and promotes optimal function. This herb is packed with potassium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's electrolyte balance, an essential factor for kidney health. Additionally, dandelion root has been shown to reduce the buildup of uric acid in the body, a contributing factor to kidney stones. It also supports the liver, which indirectly aids kidney health by assisting in the detoxification process. Regular consumption of dandelion root tea can reduce kidney stress, improve filtration, and help prevent kidney stones, making it a perfect herbal drink for anyone looking to heal their kidneys. 8. Nettle Tea. Coming in at number 8 is Nettle Tea, another fantastic herbal remedy for kidney health. Nettle has been used for centuries as a medicinal herb known for its anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and diuretic properties. It works by promoting better urine flow, which helps the kidneys expel waste and toxins more efficiently. The increased urination can also help prevent kidney stone formation and flush out harmful substances that may otherwise cause harm to the kidneys. Nettle tea is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, iron, calcium, and magnesium, all of which are beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Additionally, nettle has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation and promote the healing process. It also supports urinary tract health by reducing irritation and helping to prevent urinary infections that can damage the kidneys over time. Drinking nettle tea regularly is a great way to promote overall kidney health and ensure your kidneys are functioning at their best. 7. Ginger tea. At number 7, we have ginger tea, a tested herbal remedy that brings a host of benefits to kidney health. Ginger is widely known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent choice for promoting kidney health. Ginger's ability to reduce inflammation can be especially helpful for people with kidney-related issues, as chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney damage over time. Drinking ginger tea regularly can help improve circulation, allowing better blood flow to the kidneys, which is essential for their proper functioning. Additionally, ginger aids in the detoxification process by stimulating the body's natural ability to expel toxins, promoting healthier kidney function. It also helps in regulating blood sugar levels, which can reduce the risk of kidney damage caused by diabetes. Furthermore, ginger tea can assist with nausea, a common side effect of kidney disease, making it not only an excellent drink for healing the kidneys but also for enhancing overall well-being. 6. Lemon Balm Tea. Next on our list at number 6 is lemon balm tea, a wonderfully calming and healing drink for kidney health. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, is known for its ability to relieve stress and anxiety, which can have a positive impact on overall kidney health. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol that can strain the kidneys and other vital organs. By incorporating lemon balm tea into your daily routine, you can help calm your nervous system, reduce the production of stress hormones, and support kidney function. In addition to its relaxing effects, lemon balm has natural diuretic properties, which help promote urine production and flush out excess toxins and waste from the kidneys. This can help alleviate kidney stress, reduce fluid retention, and prevent kidney stones. The antioxidants in lemon balm protect the kidneys from oxidative damage, while its gentle detoxifying properties make it an excellent choice for maintaining healthy kidney function. 5. Turmeric Tea. Coming in at number 5 is turmeric tea, which contains the powerful compound curcumin, known for its incredible anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and detoxifying properties. Curcumin has been shown to have a profound effect on reducing kidney inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to kidney damage and the progression of kidney disease. Drinking turmeric tea regularly can help protect the kidneys by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage the organs over time. Studies suggest that turmeric may also help reduce the progression of kidney disease by lowering blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, and by incorporating turmeric tea into your routine, you can promote healthy blood pressure levels. Turmeric also supports the liver, which plays an essential role in detoxifying the body and assisting the kidneys in their filtration processes. With its healing and protective qualities, turmeric tea is a must-have for anyone looking to improve kidney function and support overall kidney health. 4. Cranberry Tea. At number 4, we have cranberry tea, one of the most well-known herbal drinks for kidney health. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which help protect the kidneys from damage caused by harmful bacteria and toxins. Cranberries are best known for their role in preventing urinary tract infections, which can be harmful to the kidneys if left untreated. By drinking cranberry tea regularly, you can reduce the risk of infections in the urinary tract and kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. Cranberries also have a mild diuretic effect, which helps flush out toxins and excess fluids, giving the kidneys a break from filtering out waste. The antioxidants in cranberry tea help prevent the formation of kidney stones while also supporting healthy kidney function by reducing inflammation. This natural remedy can help keep your kidneys functioning at their best, making it a valuable drink to incorporate into your routine for kidney health. 3. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea takes the third spot on our list. This gentle herbal drink has been used for centuries for its calming and soothing properties, and it works wonders for kidney health too. Chamomile is particularly helpful for reducing stress and anxiety, which, if left unchecked, can take a toll on kidney function. Stress raises cortisol levels in the body, which can negatively impact the kidneys over time. By drinking chamomile tea, you can help calm your mind and lower stress levels, thereby promoting kidney health. Chamomile also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce kidney inflammation and promote better kidney function. Its mild diuretic properties help the kidneys flush out toxins, excess salts, and waste products, allowing them to function more efficiently. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can help improve overall kidney health, reduce fluid retention, and even alleviate discomfort associated with kidney-related conditions. Chamomile tea is also gentle on the stomach, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a natural calming remedy for kidney support. 2. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice comes in at number 2, and it's a powerhouse when it comes to supporting kidney health. Aloe vera is well known for its healing properties and has long been used to treat a variety of health conditions. When it comes to kidneys, aloe vera's ability to detoxify and cleanse is what makes it so effective. Aloe vera juice helps flush out harmful toxins from the kidneys, improving their natural filtration process and reducing the risk of kidney damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, promoting healing and overall kidney health. Aloe vera contains high amounts of antioxidants, which protect the kidneys from free radical damage, a common cause of kidney disease. Additionally, aloe vera juice can help balance the body's fluid levels, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly can help improve kidney function, promote detoxification, and keep the kidneys working efficiently for the long term. 1. Hibiscus Tea. At number 1, we have hibiscus tea, which is arguably one of the most powerful herbal drinks for kidney health. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which help detoxify the kidneys and protect them from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage the cells in your kidneys over time, leading to poor kidney function. By drinking hibiscus tea regularly, you can help protect your kidneys from this damage, supporting their ability to filter out waste and toxins. Hibiscus tea is also known for its natural diuretic effect, which helps increase urine production, allowing the kidneys to flush out excess waste and toxins more efficiently. Moreover, hibiscus tea is beneficial for lowering blood pressure, a key factor in kidney health. High blood pressure can strain the kidneys and lead to kidney damage over time. By regularly drinking hibiscus tea, you can help keep your blood pressure in check and reduce the strain on your kidneys. The combined detoxifying, anti-inflammatory, and blood pressure-lowering properties of hibiscus make it the top herbal drink for kidney health. In just 27 days, incorporating these top 10 herbal drinks into your daily routine can be a game-changer for your kidney health. Whether it's detoxifying, reducing inflammation, or promoting better kidney function, each of these natural remedies offers a unique benefit to support and heal your kidneys. The best part is that they are easy to prepare and free from harsh chemicals, giving you a gentle, natural way to support your kidney health. Remember, consistency is key. By making these herbal drinks a part of your daily habits, you're not only taking proactive steps towards better kidney health but also nourishing your body in the most natural way possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable information. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and take care of your kidneys because they're worth it. See you in the next video.